Morning, guys. It is February 3rd, 2022. This one here, I've been putting in these Rheem water heaters for, I don't know, the last couple of months, three months or something, because Bradford White prices went really crazy. So I was trying to Rheem out, and supposedly they're having a lot of problems with the gas valves. So I had one customer, I put one in 6 months ago. Pilot kept going out, so I went over there, changed the thermocouple, and obviously it wasn't that, it was the gas valve. So I called the supplier that I got the Rheem water heater from, and told him I needed another gas valve. I had the model and serial, and he's like, oh, we got them on back order, and everybody's having a problem with them. We can't get the gas valves. I said, what am I going to do now? I mean, lady's got no hot water, right? So he gives me Rheem's number to call directly, call Rheem. So I call Rheem up directly on the phone with this cat for 2 hours, give him the model and serial and all this shit, and supposedly this valve is not one they're having a problem with. Well, I'm having a problem with it, and it's shutting down. It runs for like, you know, half a day, and then it shuts off, so you've got to light it every day. So anyway, so I give the homeowner's address, and they have them on back order also. So that was Monday I called them. Wednesday they shipped it out next day here to the customer's house. Well, I'm going there now to swap out the gas valve. So never a dull moment, mama. I went to my Rudd dealer, which is Rudd and Rheem is the same. They had a gas valve. I had to pay for it though, so I got one in the truck. I got an extra one in the truck in case it goes. They go. If it's within the 1 year, it should be under warranty, right? So I think I'm gonna switch over to. I'll go back with the Bradford White water heaters that I used to put in. They got Honeywell valves on them. I mean, you never know. It's like that with any kind of stuff. Some companies have problems with different things, and then they got a bunch of them out there, and it's a problem to get it corrected, right? Supposedly they've been having this problem for about a year now with the gas valves. Alright, I put this water heater in 6 months ago, and pilot keeps going out. I did change the thermocouple. It's the gas valve that's bad. So I called the supplier. They were all out of them. They told me to call Rheem directly. So I called Rheem, and they had them on back order. This is supposed to be the new one. So what we'll do is we'll disconnect this one, drain it, and swap it out. Nothing but quality there. Obviously, the customer's not too happy about it. I'm kind of eating a shit sandwich on this one. No shit sandwich. No shit sandwich deal. You know about that one, don't you? No shit sandwich. I did change the thermocouple, so that's not the problem. Make a difference. The other one didn't look too bad. gonna put a regular gas valve in this thing, but it needs a long shank. See how long the shank is? It's not like a regular one, because this is long here. It's deep insulation. Flipping woke on us all. She wouldn't woke. I don't know what the big problem was, but they had a lot of problems with these valves. I don't know why they didn't switch over to a different style, but I might get a little water out of it, but I'm not too worried about it. Something's on here. One ready to go here, all doped up. Notice how I put that aside so no water would get in there. I don't know if I want to go around again. I think I'm going to be good there. I think I'll be good there. Yeah. Shipped the, I called Rheem directly, and they shipped it right to the customer's house, which I was fine with that. I called them Monday. I gotta go around again. I called them Monday, and today is, today's Thursday. She got it in last night. Ooh, that's better. That's going to be better there. It's gonna be better there. In the supply house that I bought this tank from, they're having the same problem with getting valves. I mean, I guess they can't keep up with the demand. There's a lot of problems with them. But supposedly, this one wasn't under that. Supposedly, this one wasn't under the recall, according to the numbers. I get too worked up over shit. I'll try not to get too worked up over stuff. Whatever it is, it is. I'll do what I can. What I can't, I can't. Simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple, is my saying. Make sure you stop this proper, because I don't want to strip it, that's for damn sure. Not this thing. I don't want to strip that. I'm going back to Bradford White tanks. Yeah, I just got another call from a guy. He's got a Rudd water heater. He can't get the pilot to stay on. That might just be a thermocouple. He says it's within a year. It's about a year old. Probably same shit as this. One goes in this one. Crazy. When in doubt. When in doubt, change it out. Thermocouple. I know this is I just changed this the other day. Monday, see if that was gonna work, but it didn't. I could light it, it would stay on, and then like 2-3 hours from now it would go out. She'd have enough to take a shower, hot water, it would work fine, and then it would go out. I don't know, go figure. I'll try to reinvent the wheel here. Who the hell knows? Alright, we'll turn this to pilot, push that down, and then we just click it. And hold it down for a while. See the spark? I can see it. Yeah, there's something coming out. There it goes. There comes the pilot. Can you see it? See the pilot in there? You gotta hold it down for about a minute for it to warm up. Then it should stay on. It was a little tough to hold that button down. Liddy was having a hard time with it because of her arthritis. This button is kind of a little hard to hold down compared to some. Oh yeah, nice pilot on that thing too. It's a nice. Alright, I'm gonna let it go and see if it stays on. I'm gonna let it go. Alright, she's staying on. Alright, so all I'm gonna do is just turn it to on and she should fire. I'll put it right on hot there and that should do it. Alright, so I replaced the thermocouple back on Monday and then replaced the gas valve today because I had to wait for it to come in. Nobody had them.
Does it light the same way the other one did?
Yeah, it's the same valve. And I lit a lot easier. It stayed on. It didn't take as long to hold it down, like, you know.
Yeah.
The serial and model wasn't one they were having a problem with, but obviously we had a problem with it.
Yeah.
So it's within the 1 year. They give you a free one.
Yeah.
I'm not going to charge you for no labor because it wasn't your fault.
No. Okay.
But you know,
Yeah.
I'm kind of eating a shit sandwich on this one.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
at least I got you going.
Okay, that's all that counts. Now I should be okay.
You should be fine. You got a brand new valve, a new thermocouple, which I didn't charge you for that. I give you that.
Yeah. Okay.
So well, hopefully
All right.
you're a happy customer.
All right. Yeah. Thank you.